Hello everyone. So today I'll be explaining you about AMC SecuQuick, which is the world's fastest and safest cooking lid. Let's get started. So this is AMC SecuQuick. It can turn any suitable pot into a rapid cooking unit. So when the pot is heated, the pressure is built up inside, which allows the food to be cooked quickly and gently while also saving the energy. So there are two cooking settings with SecuQuick. One is the soft cooking window and the other is the turbo cooking window. So when we're cooking in the soft cooking window, the temperature inside the pot ranges between 103 degrees Celsius to 113 degrees Celsius. So the soft cooking method helps in cooking rice, chicken, etc. Whereas the turbo cooking window, the temperatures ranges between 108 degree to 118 degrees Celsius, which is helpful to cook pulses and mutton quickly and perfectly. So the advantages of using SecuQuick lid are: the energy savings come up to 50% through shorter cooking timings, and there is 80% time saved in comparison to the conventional cooking method. The SecuQuick comes in two different diameters. One is 20 cm and the other is 24 cm. The 20 cm SecuQuick lid can be used on 3 20 cm pots, whereas the 24 cm SecuQuick can be used on 5 pots of 24 diameter size. So the do's of the product are: while filling the pot, we need to keep in mind that the beans and the legumes can be filled up to 1/3 level of the pot, and the food that expands or foams during cooking, for example rice pudding or stew, can be filled maximum to a level of half, and the other dish can be filled to a maximum of 2/3 level of the pot. So now we'll see how to seal the SecuQuick soft line. So first, check if the sealing rim is correctly assembled. Check if the rim of the pot is clean, dry and not damaged. So to close the SecuQuick, place the SecuQuick lid on the pot. Press on the sides. Place one hand on the visuator and with the other hand, just close the knob in the clockwise direction, making sure that the yellow mark is no longer visible. The steam vent should always be kept away from the body. So now we'll see how to open the SecuQuick lid. So before opening that, allow the pot to completely cool down until there is no longer pressure. So depressurizing can also be done by placing the pot under running water. The lid can be depressurized with the yellow steam vent button here. Open the lid, rotate the knob in the anti-clockwise direction and gently lift the lid. So the don'ts of the product are: do not use any non-AMC bowls while using the SecuQuick lid. Never force open the SecuQuick after cooking. Make sure that it is always cooled down before opening it. And do not use SecuQuick in oven or microwave. For the maintenance of the product, disassemble and clean the lid after each use to ensure that it continues to work safely. So what happens when the pot is overheated with SecuQuick is that the sealing washer which is present, so this is the sealing washer. The sealing washer may become hard, or there are chances that the pressure might not build up, or there may be a chance of leakage of steam, and the SecuQuick may also whistle. The manufacturing defects of steel parts has a warranty for 30 years. The bakelite, spares and the gasket has the warranty only for 2 years. So this is about AMC SecuQuick soft line. So we learnt about the do's and don'ts of the product. Thank you.